Learn with us at Japanese Journey. Today, we will talk about てしまいます. In Japanese, emotions are often expressed through grammar structures. てしまいます is a great example. 準備はいいですか?始めましょう。てしまいます。てしまいます can mean regret, intention to finish something quickly and completely, might as well do it, resulting action that you can't control. Often, the direct translation of てしまいます into English would sound just like a statement without emotion. For example, 水を飲んでしまいました。which can mean I drank the water with regret. But the direct translation into English would mean I drank the water, which often doesn't translate emotion that comes with it. How to use てしまいます. The original form of しまいます is しまう. In the formal form, しまう becomes しまいます. しまいます is paired with a verb in front. The verb should be conjugated into て form. Now, let's go to how to use てしまいます in each of the four situations. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. It will help us to continue making good videos for you. The first situation is when something unintended happened and you would like to talk about the unfortunate event in a regretful way. For instance, losing something is なくす. The て form is なくして. Pair it with しまいます and it would be なくしてしまいました in past tense, which means you regretted losing something. If you lost your passport, you can say パスポートをなくしてしまいました. Example number 2. To make something dirty is 汚す. The て form is 汚して. So pair this with しまいます. It becomes 汚してしまいます. New clothes is 新しい服. So it would be 新しい服を汚してしまいました. てしまいます is also used when you intend to finish something quickly and completely. For example, 夕ご飯までに宿題を終わらせてしまいましょう. Which means, let's finish our homework before the dinner. Or, 今日は用事があるので、5時には仕事を終わらせてしまいたいです。Because I have things to do later, I want to finish my work at 5 p.m. In this case, てしまいます carries a meaning of intention as compared to just saying it in ます form. Aside from the two situations we spoke about earlier, てしまいます can also use to mean might as well just to do it. For example, あと少しですから全部食べてしまいます。There is only a few left. Might as well just finish it. みんな集まっているので、誕生日をお祝いしてしまいましょう。Since everyone is gathered here, might as well let's celebrate birthday. The final situation, where you can use てしまいます when a resulting action is something you can't control. For example, この漫画を読んで泣いてしまいました。After reading this manga, I cried. In this example, because the manga is so touching, my tears just come naturally, something I can't control. 昨夜、深夜に目が覚めてしまいました。Last night, I woke up in the middle of the night. てしまいます in casual form. If the verb conjugations is in て form or た form, you change てしまいます into ちゃった。And in this form, you remove the て from the verb. For example, 食べてしまいます。Casual form is 食べちゃった。If the verb conjugations is in で form or だ form, then change でしまいます into じゃった。And in this form, again, you remove で from the verb. For example, 飲んでしまいます。Casual form is 飲んじゃった。I hope this lesson helps you. 今日のレッスンはここまでです。ありがとうございました。